Hello and welcome to another episode of Solving a Maths Problem. My name is Mark Taylor and I'm making these videos for a number of students I teach and also to help those of you out there that would like to understand a little bit more about how to solve maths problems. Today we're going to look at the Junior Kangaroo test paper 2021. It's set in the UK. And so we'll go through that now. If I just read through the question and then we'll have a look at how to solve this. There's a couple of ways of doing this one. Four positive numbers P, Q, R and S are in increasing order of size. One of the numbers is to be increased by 1 so that the product of the four numbers is now as small as possible. Which number should be increased? Let's write these down. So P, Q, R, S. Okay, so there's an algebraic way of doing this, but we can sort of cheat a little bit and put some numbers in, and it's probably best that we put in small numbers as possible, just to make the arithmetic easier to deal with. So let's start off. P is the smallest, make it 1, Q is 2, R is 3, S is 4. So if we multiply those four numbers together, 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 is 24. Just write that out there. Okay, if we want to make the number as small as possible, then what some people have told me is that P needs to be increased, and that may seem obvious, maybe, in that P is the smallest number already. So perhaps when you're doing a product, you want your numbers to be as small as possible. So let's just have a look. If we increase P by 1, you get 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 4 is 48. Okay. So let's check the others then. If you increased any of the others by 1, you could increase Q by 1. So then we'll work out that one. So 1 times 3 is 3, times 3 is 9, times 4 is 36, so that's actually smaller. And then you could increase R, which is 1 times 2 times 4 times 4, which is 32. And then we'll go for the last one, increase S. 1 times 2 times 3 times 5 is 30. So, despite what people have thought, many of the students I've spoken with thought that it would be P. It's actually S. You increase the larger one. So S is your answer. Just to sort of reflect on that question, then why is that true? Well, look at the beginning. What we started with, 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we increase P by 1, you're then increasing by an amount that's actually going to be, you're actually doubling this 2 times 3 times 4, and the 2 times 3 times 4 is itself, we didn't work out that one, did we? That's 24. Okay, so that's 24. So what you're doing is you're doubling 24, whereas when we increased S by 1, so you're increasing S from 4 to 5, you're only increasing it by amount of 6, because you've got 4 6s, because 1 times 2 times 3 is 6, 4 6s, and then you go to 5 6s, so you only increase it by 6. So that's why S is your answer to this question. I will make another quick video on this if you're interested in the algebraic solution, which is quite interesting, but I'm sure many of you just want to get to the answer. So as I say, I'm going to make that as a separate video. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe, and there will be more videos being uploaded in the coming days. Thank you.